Galaxy J that you know and love has become the new Galaxy A. Built for the era of live, Galaxy A puts cutting-edge mobile technology within reach. Our more powerful battery isn't just longer lasting, it's all day lasting to keep you connected. With our fast charging technology, nothing will hold you back. Galaxy A cameras are built for live, making the everyday epic. Our multi-lens cameras with ultra-wide lens lets you see more. So now you can share more. Infinity display with Super AMOLED technology creates impossibly vivid images that truly stand out in all conditions. With just a tap, our revolutionary on-screen fingerprint scanner seamlessly unlocks your phone. Featuring pioneering innovations, Galaxy A lets you pack more life into your life. Meet next generation Galaxy A, built for the era of live.
Hola.
Guitar strum, drama sound, someone turns a switch a song. I'm looking for something beyond the reach, something beyond imagination, something incredible. I wanna see the world the way I've never seen before. Ooh, it is a miracle. It's bound to get it all together. Say goodbye to past time. A new life calls.
Okay team, we're fast approaching the launch of our Redmi Note 7. We need from the operations team to refine our simulations, and technical team, let's begin work on our custom rig.
Flight path predictions are on course for a launch this week. It'll be travelling up to about 30 kilometres over the course of 2 hours. It's going to be minus 60 at peak altitude, so let's hope that phone survives.
Tracking team, are we good to go?
Check.
Air traffic control, are we go for launch?
We are all clear.
Okay, ground team, we are ready for launch. Release in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for launch.
All right, balloons burst, 35 kilometres, that's descending. Payload's now at 15 kilometres, we need to change course. It's coming down near Peterborough. We've got 5 minutes till touchdown. Let's go. Should be around here somewhere. There it is. Everything is functioning perfectly. Pretty good for a trip to space and back.